Hello, welcome back. Tengo deseo de café. I am craving coffee, and my mom does not have a coffee maker, so today we are making our own coffee. Vamos a colar café. Let me tell you, this coffee smells amazing. It is fully sealed and I can smell it through the package. So this is what you're gonna need: a colander and some ground coffee. And today I decided to make Cafe Oro. It is a Puerto Rican staple, apparently. I see this coffee everywhere. It's from the mountains of Lares, Puerto Rico. It all started more than 50 years ago through Angel J. Torres, better known as Don Guti, in his dedication to planting and selling the best Puerto Rican coffee. As you can see here, the packaging is A1. It really was sealed tightly, as you can see me struggling opening the coffee. So immediately within opening the coffee, I just could not get enough of the aroma. So as I was opening the coffee, I had my water boiling in a pot, because what we're gonna do is pour the grounds into the colander and then we're gonna add water. One thing you will notice about me in past and future videos is I really don't measure. I kind of just go pour and go with what my spirit tells me to. So this is me just pouring one serving of coffee into the colander, and I'm telling you, the smell is just so full of aroma. I couldn't even explain the smell to you guys. It's very sweet but musty all at the same time. It's amazing. So you're just gonna pour the coffee. Excuse me, I'm really making a mess here, but we're gonna get this coffee made and we're gonna pour the coffee. This is gonna be one serving of coffee. I personally like my coffee very strong. At this point, I would probably be up all night with how strong I made this coffee, but it's okay. So I'm gonna let the coffee drain through the coffee grounds, and as it pours into the container, so I can serve myself some coffee. And today, Cafe Oro de Puerto Rico is a family business committed to society, employing more than 300 Puerto Ricans. They collaborate with schools and small businesses in the area, thus contributing to the economic development of the mountain region and to the sustenance of families that live there. We are more than coffee. We are an experience that is worth gold. And that is a quote on their website. You can actually see it at www.cafeoropuertorico.com. And honestly, I went to their cafe a few weeks ago in Lares, Puerto Rico. Was able to see the factory in which they produce the coffee. I will insert those videos so y'all be able to see. So at this point, I'm just serving myself a cup of coffee. I was disappointed because I should have made more, but it's okay. I think as strong as I made it, that small taza was more than enough. And of course, you can't have coffee without some leche pe, which is the evaporated milk that I am pouring. And then of course, brown sugar. And do not judge the amount of sugar that I put in this coffee. I was just kind of going with the flow, like I said earlier. I do consider myself a coffee connoisseur, unofficially. So I enjoy drinking coffee thoroughly. I enjoy drinking different types of coffee, different flavors, and different types of beans from different areas. So being able to give you my opinion of this Cafe Oro is an honor. And I can honestly say that this homemade coffee tastes just a little bit better than the coffee that I had at the actual cafe. I felt that it was all whipped cream and not enough coffee. But I'm going to add an extra dash of Hispanicness to my coffee, and I'm gonna grab some galletas. And as you know, we're gonna dip the galletas in the coffee and we're just gonna enjoy. Honestly, the coffee was amazing. I can't wait to make some more tomorrow morning. This coffee was amazing, and I'm going to rate other coffees in the future. If you'd like to see more coffee videos, please comment below. Let me know what you think. And the proof is in the pudding, guys. I tore this coffee up. That's all I have to say. It was really, really good. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.